Since 1989, Cocoon has been making travel sheets and mummy liners. The mummy liners come in a variety of materials ranging from silk, Egyptian cotton, to merino wool. The idea behind all the materials is to be able to customize the environment within your bag, at the same time adding additional warmth. All of our mummy liners have a drawstring hood and a box foot end, which allows for less material at the bottom of your sleeping bag, therefore keeping your feet warmer. Our 100% silk mummy liner is 95 inches by 35 inches at the top and 22 inches at the foot box. Packing size is 5.7 inches by 2.6 inches by 4 inches and weighs in at only 4.7 ounces. The Cocoon Silk Mummy Liner is made of one of the highest grades of silk available, which is really good for odor management and moisture management with an unmatched luxurious feel. You'll also add 9 degrees Fahrenheit without the added weight to your bag. For over 30 years, Cocoon has innovated the inside of sleeping bags. Once you've experienced our mummy liners, you won't want to travel without them.